Hi there, welcome back to Nature Series. These are Rosehips. They're great for making rosehip syrups, rosehip jam, and lots of other rosehip things, like maybe rosehip crumble or maybe rosehip pie. Yeah. They're very good for your immune system. The only thing that's not good about these are the prickles. Ow! All these prickly bits. Ooh! Yeah. Oh, the birds are trying to gobble them up. This is just. This is the best time for rosehip season, autumn and winter. They mostly disappear in the winter because the birds have eaten them all. But look, these are a bit rotten now.
There's some there above your head.
Oh, yeah. What's so funny, everyone?
Ah, look out behind you!
Oh no! I got tangled.
Tangled up. Careful, very prickly.
Right, back to the rosehips.
I'll give you a close up, guys. Okay.
Oh, these are rosehips. See you later.
Bye.